This is a seafood platter. We have shrimps, we have fish, we have calamari. Hi guys!
Hey!
We are at the beach. You can see over there is the Mosque Hassan II. That's the mosque with the, I think it has the tallest tower in I think in the Middle East or in Africa. It's considered the, I think the highest mosque in the world, but I'm not sure. Over here is the lighthouse that we saw last time, and we are heading over there to Ain Diab. Ain Diab, that's the famous beach of Casablanca. That's where we're heading.
Yeah.
And we are after
2 hours walk.
Yeah, we're after a very long walk.
Yeah.
And there's still a lot of walking to be had because we still have about half an hour walk to get there.
To the beach. But we made it to the lighthouse. Come on.
We made it to the lighthouse without even meaning to.
Exactly.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, guys. So hopefully we'll make it alive to Ain Diab, and we're going to have lunch. So we promised this time we're going to show you the food.
Yesterday it wasn't possible, really. We ended up eating sandwiches or something like that because we got lost.
Yeah.
And
today we also got lost, but a bit less lost. But we're getting there very hungry.
Yeah.
2 hour walk. So we'll see you there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Wish us luck.
Yeah. I'm coming.
Okay, hey guys, we made it to Ain Diab, which is the famous beach in Casablanca. And we have to say that after about 3 hours of walking, it's a little bit disappointing because all the restaurants are above the beach. The beach itself is very rocky, so you can't go down. And the beach where you actually have sand, which is over there, there are no restaurants on the beach. So it is, after a long walk, it's a bit disappointing. The restaurants here are a bit expensive, and there are some private clubs here that we can't even enter. But we do have a McDonald's in front of a Burger King. So I guess we can always have a burger.
Yeah.
But we want to sit somewhere with a view so we can have a nice lunch,
Try to eat fish.
look at the Atlantic Ocean, and try to eat some fish. Yeah. So we'll keep walking over there to that place over there. And if we don't find something, then we'll take a taxi to a nice restaurant, and we'll show you Moroccan food today, no matter what happens.
No matter what.
Today you eat with us.
Yes.
Okay. So this is a private club. There's a tennis court. Baby park, which is empty.
Yeah. Weird. They've got a lot of kids here.
Yeah. But I guess maybe the people with the membership are now in Spain. Right? Who knows? Okay, guys. So this is Ain Diab. If you are in Casablanca, I think there are better beaches to go to. We haven't been to many beaches, but the boardwalk where Hassan II Mosque is quite nice.
Yes, it is.
But there are no restaurants there. It's just a boardwalk.
And no shade.
And no shade. And also it's a rocky beach. So it's not really a beach where you can bathe in.
Yeah.
If you don't mind not eating, bringing your own food, you can walk to continue to the sandy beach where there are quite a lot of people, and you can have a nice picnic there. So there are options. There are beaches, but I guess if you come to Morocco for a beach, you should go to Agadir. People say the beach there is amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So we'll see you.
The locals say that the beach over there is amazing.
Yeah, the locals say it's amazing. Okay, guys. So we'll see you next time when we have food in front of us.
Please, let's find food.
Yes. Okay. We'll see you later.
Bye bye.
Okay. Hey, guys. So like we promised, so we are in Ain Diab. And like we said, it's not really a beach, it's a rocky beach. So this is where we're sitting. The view is quite nice. You can see the Hassan II Mosque over there. the lighthouse, and the Atlantic Ocean. This is the Atlantic Ocean. And we went to one of the local restaurants here,
It's called the Moroccan Way.
the Moroccan Way, and it's an expensive restaurant. So we ordered a Moroccan salad, which we ate already. We're
Yes.
sorry. It was very small and cost 40 dinar, about 4 euros, which is expensive for Morocco. And then we ordered the seafood platter. It cost 100 dinar, 110 dinar, about 10 euros, which is very expensive in Morocco, but
But-
look what they gave us.
Yes, it's a lot of food.
It looks wonderful. It really does look wonderful.
It smells really nice.
It smells really nice and it's very fresh. So it is a bit on the expensive side, this restaurant, but the food seems totally worth it.
Yes, it does.
Anyway, we'll also show you later on when we eat in a local restaurant at somewhere where the price is about a quarter
Yeah.
of this, some tangine, and hopefully on Friday we'll even show you couscous, because couscous is only on Friday.
Yeah,
But
unfortunately.
we are going to be in Marrakesh on Friday, so we'll show some couscous on Friday.
Yes.
For sure. Okay, for now, this is a seafood platter. We have shrimps, we have fish, we have calamari, and I think that's it. And a lot of vegetables.
I don't know what this is.
It's also
Catfish or-
kind of a fish, I don't know, an alien fish. Okay guys, so we're going to eat, and we'll see you later.